First of all, I'd just like to acknowledge the traditional owners of this land where we gather here tonight, as the Yabara people, the Turrbal people, also do with the elders who past, present, and dead.
Pero kare kulangi na mua lele. Ina waka ofi piko langi le whaka whakuso na apa. O ke whaka lofa, mamalo lau fia ngea fia fi. E maka wo fia le kulai mai o tupu makamari o lau mua. Aboriginal with First Island, they have been fought. Ako jana. E kai mai manguia ka te whaka moi.
I just really wish that the younger generation would actually see this, you know, and to see how strong our culture is and how important it is to us. I just truly do believe and hope that our ancestors are there watching over me and guiding me.